Ay, ay, sorry. Naku, iiwan ko na naman kayo. Opo. Good morning, and I'm now having a coffee. It's already 4:30 a.m. Ang call time is actually, it's around 4 a.m. Pero ako kasi yung schedule ko is only for hair. So, we still have more time kasi 7 pa ako aayusan. And then right now, I'm having a coffee. 6 a.m. pa yung open ng restaurant nila. So, I can order some food kasi gutom na ako. Ang malalasin na kumain ako tanghali pa kahapon. So, right now, I'm just doing coffee. And then, maya-maya, I'll just going for bath, doing a facial mask and everything. Mamaya ko na kayo i-tutor kasi medyo madilim pa. So, yeah, pag nakita niyo itong background, yan, madilim pa siya. So, hindi nyo di ma-appreciate. So, later, I'll tour you kapag maliwanag na. And so far, I'm having a very, very good sleep last night. I really like this hotel. I forgot to tell you that this is Meranti Hotel in Quezon City. So, sobrang kompleto siya. We have shower club, and then there is a shave set, so hindi na ako bibili. And then, we already have so far so good. Para siyang sa pananahe. And then, yung TV nila, sobrang ganda kasi you can connect your mobile. It's like mirror sharing na uso ngayon for the TV. And then, there is also the usual toothpaste and everything. So, but I don't usually use the toothpaste from the hotel. So, nagdadala ko ng sarili ko. But this one is good because I think this is a Colgate one. Mini. Ayan. Ganda yun. So, try ko siyang gamitin today. Itong bed ko. And there's also a hand soap. Tapos, ang bango nung kanilang ito. Meron itong lotion. Siya yung body lotion na body soap na ginamit ko kanina. But right now, I'll just do my toothbrush. And then, I will be doing a mask. Using the Charlotte Tilbury mask. Time check, it's already 5:11. So, tapos na ako maligo. I'll be doing my 5-minute mask. And meron ako sample dito ng mask. Although I had my facial last night, I just wanted my skin to be more glow today. Kasi mahirap na. So, I will be using this Canon Clay Skin Mask. And I'll also bring I just had a small amount of makeup na dinala kasi nga ayoko na masyadong alam mo yun. I just wanted to make it simple and good. Dahil ang bida naman yun is the bride, not the bridesmaid. So, ito lang yung mga dala ko. Yan. This one, I bought this in surplus shop. Ito. And then, I'll be using this Maybelline Super Stay Foundation Matte. And then, yan. Tapos ito, nandito na yung blush on, contour, and everything. And then, I'll be combining this Wet n Wild and YSL. So, ayan lang. And then, ayan, konting brush. And then, ayan yung coffee. And then, currently watching a vlog. Tapos, ayan na yung room. Laki naman. So, yung tour ko na nga kayo. Ito yung currently using the robe. Ito. Yan yung tsaka yan. Ito yung shower room. Ang ganda naman ng flow ng tubig. So, yan. And then, last night, miram ako ng palansyahan. Makita nyo nandun sa dulo. And then, ito yung cabinet. Yan. I forgot. Ito yung gown na susuotin ko. Sobrang dami kong nakalimutan kahapon. Nakalimutan ko yung bag na gagamitin ko. Yung bag na gagamitin ko para sa during the how you call that? During yung kasi gusto ko yung may maliit na bag akong dala. But then, hindi na lang magdadala kasi gusto ko na ma-picturean si Rose habang naglalakad siya. Alam mo itong mask na ito maganda to. For the skin. Yan, nalagay ko lang siya around 5 minutes. Para ma-tighten yung mga pores ko. Although wala akong pores ngayon dahil alam niyo na, nagpa-facial ako. Thank you kay Riza ng Dermalogica. I really love it so much. Kaya ako talaga, ugali ko na mag-collect ng mga sample kasi ang laking tulong nito. Sobrang gaan ng dala mo for pag nag-travel ka and everything. So yan, dala-dala mo na siya. Okay. Sutin ko na nga ito ngayon. 5 o'clock pa lang. Kaya madilim. Bala ko sanang gamitin yung bintana. Pero hindi pa ako kumakain. 6 pa ang opinion. Pero dapat mga 6:30 okay na ako. So ito mga 5 minutes lang. And then maglalagay na ako ng moisturizer, eye cream, and then primer. Okay, so ni-remove ko na yung mask. I'll be doing my moisturizer. I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Transform Moisturizer. Ubusin ko na to hanggang gabi. Hanggang bukas ng gabi. Ayan. Maganda ang product. Alam mo, meron akong ginagamit na lip balm. Currently, I'm using this Sephora Tangerine Lip Balm. Hindi siya yung sa akin kasi nagbabalit pa rin yung labi ko eh. Hindi katulad ng rose buds ako na ginagamit ko. Yan. Parang nakaka-dry pa rin. Yun ang aking moisturizer. Then, ano ko muna siya sa skin ko. Then, afterwards, I'll be using this Instance of Focus Beauty Flush. And then, I'll be doing my makeup after this. One thing good about dito sa Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flush, glowy kasi siya sa skin. And then, yung gagamitin ko kasi is a full coverage matte. So, ayoko naman sobrang matte sa kasal. Ayan. So, confident naman ako na hindi mag-kikeme yung mga pores ko. Kasi kaka-facial lang. Currently, it's Hello October in the background. Gusto ko yung mga vlogs, diba? Yan. I'm planning to buy the full bottle in this one. Kasi kahit ito lang yung gamitin ko, okay na siya. Yan. So, sync lang natin. Then after, while we are waiting, basahin ko ng ating beauty blender. Oh no! I'll be using my I'll be just fixing my eyebrow and then my eye makeup. I'll not be doing a tutorial how I'm going to do my makeup kasi wala nga yung battery, yung charging battery ng aking, yung charger ng battery ko. So ayoko naman malubat. I wanted to cover yung wedding compared dun sa ginagawa ko. So later, pakita ko na lang kung ano yung mga ginamit ko.